So we went through Fancy by Twice last Tuesday and Thursday in my K-pop workshop in Arizona. It was kind of complicated choreographies, but everyone's doing great. Even boys were dancing so cutie and fancy. We had so much fun doing that choreography. Please have fun watching our dance, what we have achieved in just 1 hour workshop. If you want to learn the choreography, I have a tutorial video on my second YouTube channel called Dance Workshop by Rina Ohkuma. So make sure to scroll down, find the URL, and let's dance together. Don't forget to post your dance video with a hashtag K-pop with Rina so that I can see and share on my story as well. We also have this K-pop workshop every Tuesday and Thursday in Arizona from 8 to 9 p.m. and we are doing different songs every week. Next week, we're gonna do Lit by Anels. So I hope to see you guys in the class. Bye!